Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. Before we start, please take 1 second to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps millions of English learners speak more naturally in real life. Thank you so much. All right, today I'm taking you with me to a real American-style coffee shop. Not textbook English, not slow English, not school English. Real-life English. The phrases people actually use when ordering coffee, asking questions, fixing mistakes, and sounding confident. Let's jump into it. 1. The moment you walk in. You open the door, you walk inside, and the barista looks at you and says, "Hi there. What can I get for you?" Or, "Hey, what can I get started for you?" This is the real opening, not, "May I help you?" Nobody says that. You can answer naturally with, "Hi, can I get a..." "Yeah, I'll take a..." "Could I have a..." "Please." These are the most natural choices. Avoid the robotic, "I would like to have." It's correct, but it sounds unnatural and formal. 2. Ordering your drink. Real English. Here are the real phrases people use. Can I get a latte? The number 1 phrase. I'll do a cappuccino. Casual and native. I'm gonna go with an iced coffee. Very natural when choosing. Could I get that with? Used when customizing drinks. Example. Could I get that with oat milk? Could I get that with 1 pump of vanilla? For here, or to go. This means, do you want to drink it inside or take it with you? Your answer, for here. To go. Short, easy, real. 3. Useful add-ons, native phrases. When the barista asks, "Do you want anything else?" Here are natural responses. "Yeah, can I get a muffin too?" "Actually, yeah. Can I add a cookie?" "No, that's it for me." "No, I'm good. Thanks." That last one is extremely natural. When you don't understand. Coffee shops can be noisy. People speak fast. It's normal not to understand. Here are real phrases to fix it. Sorry, what was that? Come again. Could you say that one more time? Sorry, I didn't catch that. These are the most natural and the most polite. Never say, "Repeat, please." It sounds mechanical. Use the natural ones instead. 5. When they don't understand you. If the barista says, "Sorry?" What did you say? Don't panic. Just answer with a latte, size medium, a cappuccino with oat milk. An iced Americano. Shorter equals clearer. Simple equals confident. 6. Paying. Real English. This is what you will hear. It'll be $5.85, meaning $5.85. Or, your total is, you're all set. Do you want your receipt? Your answers. Card. Here you go. No receipt. Thanks. All good, thanks. Easy phrases. Native and extremely common. 7. When something goes wrong. Let's say you get your drink, but it's not what you ordered. You don't need perfect grammar. You need polite, simple English. Use, excuse me, I think this isn't mine. Sorry, I ordered a latte, not a cappuccino. Could you fix this for me? Is it possible to remake this? Polite, clear, natural. Most baristas will fix it immediately. 8. The full conversation example. Barista, hey there, what can I get for you? Steve, hi, can I get a medium latte? Barista, sure. Hot or iced? Steve, hot, please. Barista, got it. Anything else? Steve, yeah. Could I get a blueberry muffin too? Barista, of course. For here or to go? Steve, to go. Barista, all right, your total is $7.15. Steve, card. Here you go. Barista, perfect. You're all set. Steve, thanks. Have a good one. Barista, you too. This is exactly how real native speakers talk at coffee shops. 9. Quick practice. Repeat after me. Short sentences for 11 Labs style repetition. Repeat with me. Can I get a medium latte? I'll take an iced coffee. Could I get that with oat milk? For here. To go. Sorry, what was that? I didn't catch that. Thanks. Have a good one. Practicing these out loud will instantly level up your fluency. If this episode helped you, please take 1 second to like and share and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this community grow and helps millions of learners speak English confidently in real-life situations. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing.